Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. Today we will learn how to make a survey in Google Prompts. So let's get us started. Begin by opening Google Prompts. Click on the plus button to create a new prompt. Choose the blank option to start creating your survey. Give your survey a title and a brief description to set the context for your respondents. Click on Untitled Question and add your past question. Choose the question type that fits your survey and input your question. To add more questions, click on the plus button and repeat the process. Preview your survey to ensure it looks the way you want. Once ready, click on the send button to share the survey with your audience. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.